why do you keep on saying there are a lot of scammers here in TikTok?
Yes, most people don't know. Most people don't know. They don't know, and they are falling for scammers on TikTok. Don't fall for scammers, so because some of my friends they
Once they
collected
tell
their
you
money.
that you want,
Don't fall
kasi
for
nga fiesta
scammers, so
ngayon,
guys.
yung
Don't fall for
mga
scammers.
kahapon, mga naglasing-lasing, yung anak ko na pa nag-inuman, hindi naman umiinom, nagsusuka nga kagabi, ng mag-aalas 3. Gising ako, hindi na ako natulog sis, walang biro, wala akong tulog the whole day.
Don't fall for scammers. They will tell you that you have win 50,000. You bring 1,000. They give you
That's
five
the
thousand.
truth po. Yeah.
Don't fall for
And they will
scammers.
ask, Kenya, yeah, they will ask money from you, but after receiving the money, after you send that, they will block you